Good afternoon, children. So here we can start today's class. And in the last class, we learned what are the composition of air, then how the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide that it is maintained in the atmosphere with the help of the plants. Isn't it? That also we learned. Now we are going to learn how can we keep our air clean. So if we want to know how we need to, which all ways we can keep the air clean, we should know through which all ways our air become dirty. Isn't it? Isn't it? We should know through which all ways our air become dirty. Do you think is there any is there any way this air become dirty? Is it become dirty, yes, children? Is it become dirty? Yes. Okay. So Rex, tell me. So which way does this air become dirty?
If the smoke will come to the air, it will be dirty.
Okay, so smoke, yeah, how these smokes are produced?
In the factories.
Okay, it is only when through the factories?
No, in the kitchen also.
Yeah, in the kitchen also. Wait, Rex. Okay, so let me ask you others also. So Rex told when the smoke, when it mixes with the air become dirty. Do you agree with it?
Yes.
Yes. So here I want to show pictures. Okay. So the picture, yeah. Yes, here can you see the same thing that Rex told it. Yeah. Okay. So let me continue with it. Okay. So smoke from the factories where you can see dark smoke mixes with the air and makes the air dirty. So we are not able to breathe like this air. The smoke is the substance that makes the air dirty. And in this picture also you can see. Is it producing any smoke in this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
yes.
So how does this smoke produced in there? How it is formed? How this smoke formed?
Firecrackers.
Okay, when we burst the firecrackers that produce severe smoke that mixes with the air. So smoke from the firecrackers makes the air dirty. Am I right? Yes. And not only here smoke, the smell, severe smell when these firecrackers burst, that also makes us irritations. Colors. Colors. Yeah, the chemicals. So when this firecrackers burst, that produce chemical because these firecrackers are made of chemicals. So when these we burst, that may produce chemicals through that there is a chance of getting the chemicals in the air. So that makes the air dirty. That makes the air dirty. Am I correct? Am I correct? So, yeah, in the same way, some other examples also I will show. Okay, so here in the kitchen. So here in this kitchen, you can see that ladies are preparing food. Okay, can you see? Yeah, can you see any difference here in this kitchen and the kitchen which we are? Yeah, it is full of smoke. It is full of dark. So why it is smokeful and why it is looks like dark?
Because they are burning firewood.
Yeah, they are using the stove which can be used firewood. But in our kitchens, instead of these firewood stoves, we are using LPG stoves, gases. Liquefied petroleum gas that is not producing any smell. So which is healthy one? This one, this type of kitchen or?
No.
Yeah, our kitchens, right? So our kitchen. So what we should do? So the smoke also, this smoke also mixes with the air, and that also creates some problems. So pollutants, here you can see children, substances that mixes with the air and makes the air dirty. Here in these three instances, the three examples, you can see the smoke. So smoke, we can call it as a pollutant. Smoke, we can call it as a pollutant. Okay, so let me write that word pollutant.
We have to write.
Yes. Take the rough book, children. So today's new word. This one, date. Wait. Yes. What is today's date, children? Today it is 18/11/20.
Ma'am, we write. Ma'am, there is a. Ma'am, you are muted.
Sorry, children. Okay. So here.
Ma'am, there is a star.
Yeah, star, I just kept it like that. It is a new word. Okay, pollutant. Substances which make the air dirty. Okay, are called pollutants. So, smoke from the firecrackers, smoke produced from the factories, smoke produced from the firewood stoves, these all we can call, what we can call them? Pollutants. Okay, pollutants. So pollutants are substances which make the air dirty. Substances which make the air dirty. That is called pollutants. So Anna Mary, read the spelling of pollutants.
Ma'am, P-O-L-L-U-T-A-N-T-S.
Read the spelling once again. I felt it something wrong. Yeah.
P-O-L-L-U-T-A-N-T-S.
What is that word? Pollutants. Aryan, if somebody asks you, Aryan, yes. If somebody asks you, what are pollutants? How you will answer it, Aryan?
Substances which make the air dirty are called pollutants.
Very good. Okay. So next one, Tiva. Yes. So I have a question to you. Substances which make the air dirty. Those are called
pollutants.
Okay. Roshid Binoy, please tell me the spelling of pollutants.
P-O-L-L-U-T-A-N-T-S.
Okay. So Krishna Raj, what are pollutants, Krishna Raj? What are pollutants, Krishna Raj? Unmute. Unmute Krishnaraj. Krishnaraj. Not able to unmute. Not able to unmute. Okay, next one. Pranav Vishnu, tell me, what are pollutants?
Substance which make the air dirty are called pollutants.
Called pollutants. Okay, so I hope children you noted that one. Is it over, Heaven? Is it over? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm not finished. You can
Not
share.
finished. Okay, okay.
Not
Okay, so Heaven. So
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, up to that time, let me ask you one question, Heaven. What we can call substances that make the air dirty?
Polluter.
Can you tell me once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is that word? Pollutants. Pollutants. Okay, Adnas.
Yes.
Yes, spelling of pollutants.
Ma'am.
Pollutant spelling.
Pollutant.
Okay. Okay. So I think this much time is enough. See, somebody's audio is not muted. Please keep it. Aryan, Rishit. Yeah. And videos also I can see off. Okay. Parvana, Chinmay, Evangelist, switch on it. So let me show you another picture.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I
Yes.
cannot open my video.
Okay. So here, children, can you see another picture here, Felix? Felix, can you see this picture, Felix?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see any pollutant here?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, what is that pollutant here it is produced?
Fire.
Fire. Fire. Is it fire? Okay, fire is producing as it is burning something, right? So what can you guess what it may be burning? What it is? Huh?
Ma'am, Rex cancer.
Yes, Rex. What it is?
The plastics are burning.
Okay, plastic waste, different types of waste. So we can say that garbage. Okay, burning of garbage makes the pollution, makes the pollutant, produces the pollutant. When we burn this garbage, that produces smoke. You can see dark smoke, and it is going up and mixing with the air, isn't it? And one more thing, children, you can see when this smoke is spreading into the air, can we see that road properly? No. So that may block our vision also. That may block our vision also. See, nowadays in New Delhi, in newspapers and television channels, you can hear the news about pollution in New Delhi. How many of you have heard it? How many of you have watched it? Yes, Albert. Yes, Aiden. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, so children, there also, yes, somebody is calling. Who is that? Rex. Okay, Rex, tell me.
I want to breathe the smoke.
Yeah, they are forced to breathe the smoke because here only if from the factories or if we burn garbage, then only the smoke will produce, right? So, and that is also to that particular area. But in New Delhi, due to different reasons, so many reasons are there. The air, it is not fit for breathing. Sometimes they want to carry oxygen cylinders also with them. So children, is it a good situation there? Is it good there? No, it is very dangerous situation. So we also need to protect our air. We should make our air clean. Do you need?
Yes.
Yes. So what all things we can do it for that? That is what we want to think. Now we are safe. We are not suffering any air pollutions here. But we need to keep the air like this. Otherwise, one day or in nearby future, we also need to we also may compel to face the same problem that this New Delhi citizens are facing. Right? Right? Okay. So here let me introduce another new word. When the pollutant mixes with the water, mixes with the air, that makes the air dirty. At that time, we can call that it as air pollution. Okay, air pollution. So, say, write it. Yes, write it. Another new word, air pollution. Air pollution means the presence of, see here I can see so many videos are of Aiden, Rishit, Parvana, Evangel. Yes, switch on your videos. I want to see your face.
Ma'am, I cannot open my video.
Okay, somebody already told it. That I can understand. It is not the case for all. I think so. The presence of harmful substances. Harmful substances. Harmful substances mean smoke, chemicals, color. These all are harmful substances. So harmful substances, the presence of harmful substances in the air is called, what we can call when these harmful substances are present in the air? Air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution. Okay. The presence of harmful substances in air, we can call that situation as air pollution. Okay. When these harmful substances makes the air dirty, those substances we can call pollutants. So pollutants makes air pollution. Am I correct?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, pollutants make the air pollution.
Air pollution.
Okay, so air pollution. Abel Rinsan, what do you mean by air pollution? Abel Rinsan, what do you mean by air pollution? You don't know to unmute. You should learn it. Otherwise, yeah, yes. Tell me. Air pollution, what do you mean by air pollution? Okay, Session. Yes. What do you mean by air pollution, Session? What do you mean by air pollution?
Pollution.
Pollution.
Pollutions make the air.
Pollutants make the air. That is only a single sentence I wrote. What is air pollution? Can you see a star there? Session?
Yes.
Can you see? Yeah. So wait. Agnes Wilson will say that answer. So you can repeat it after that. Agnes Wilson, what do you mean by air pollution?
The presence of harmful substance in the air is called air pollution.
Okay, Arfin, what do you mean by air pollution? Yes, Arfin, what do you mean by air pollution?
The presence of
harmful
substances in the
air is called air pollution. Adnas, what is air pollution?
The presence of harmful substances in the air is called air pollution.
Okay, Session, are you ready now? Session? Okay, what is air pollution?
Air pollution, the
presence. The presence.
Of harmful substances in the air is called air pollution.
Okay, Risa. Risa, what make the air pollution?
Pollutants make the air
Pollutants make the air pollution. Okay, good. Good. So children, I hope it's clear now. Pollutant, air pollution. Okay. So next, let me show. Yeah. So these are some of the images that showing air pollution here. Okay. So now we want to find out how can we make the air clean. Yes, Rida. Yes. Tell me, Rida.
plant trees.
Okay, plant more and more trees. Okay, because these trees are absorbing which gas? Trees are absorbing carbon dioxide. Is this carbon dioxide useful or harmful for us?
Harmful for us.
Yeah, that is not. Yeah, that is not useful. Okay, Serafina is showing so many plants. Okay, yeah, Serafina. Yes, so many plants are there and noted beautiful plants. Okay, arranged it beautifully. And outside also, these all are small plants. See, outside also you can see a lot of plants there. Am I right? Am I right, Serafina? Okay, so I hope in your compound, from your compound, you will get lots and lots of fresh air. So plant more trees. Yes, that is the best thing we can do. And another one, any other points? Rex, please wait. Let me get another. Yes, who can tell me another one? Another. Yes, Agnes. Yes, Agnes.
When we burn firewood or kerosene lamp, it is called
smoke. Yeah, it produces smoke, isn't it? It produces smoke. So what we need to do? We can avoid. Do not burn garbage. That is okay. So we should not use which one? We should not use smoke producing. We should not use smoke producing stoves. Okay, we can use smokeless gases, smokeless stoves, smokeless lamps we can use. Okay, nowadays I think we are not using any smoke producing lamp. Everywhere it is electric bulbs, tubes. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Before that, in olden days, we used to the lamp, this one, like this kerosene lamp. Oil lamps are okay, not producing that much smoke. Yes, so these all things we can do it. Okay, so let me show you. Can you see this? Can you see this? These all are some of the, in this picture you can see question number.
Like this.
Yeah, that is why. Let me explain. Question number 18. In this one, which of the following should we use while cooking? One is chula. Chula is a in Hindi word. Okay, chula means the stove which it is using firewood for burning. And another one, LPG stove. In this one, Anunnaya, which one we should choose?
What, ma'am?
Which one we should choose, chula or LPG stove?
LPG stove.
Okay, can you tell me what is the reason for using LPG stoves while cooking? Why?
Then Agnes can?
Yeah, yes, Agnes.
It not produce the smoke.
Okay, it will not produce any smoke. We should use an LPG stove to cook as it does not give out any smoke. It is very clear, isn't it?
Yes,
so, in the next one, 19th question, that is also very, very easy. That is also very, very easy. Let me see to whom I should ask. Let me, yes, wait. Yes. Wait. Who is it? Dia Denny. Yes. So here, so some pictures it is shown, right? Some one student, one small boy is planting tree. Yeah. So from this, how we can keep the air clean? That is our question, isn't it? So can you tell me, using these 4 images, which all ways we can keep the air clean? Yes, Dia, from the picture itself, you can
planting.
Plant more and more trees, isn't it? Plant trees. Okay, that is there. Then second one, let me call Avantika. Tell me, what is that picture B showing? Picture B. Use smoke-free lamps, and also we can use smokeless stoves also, isn't it? And next one, yes, Rishit. Okay, Aiden, please see. What is that picture C showing? See, Aiden Rojo, what is that picture? See, Aiden.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what it shows? Do not burn garbage.
Garbage.
Okay, what do you mean by garbage? What do you mean by garbage? Waste. Okay, waste contain different type, paper waste, plastic waste, these all things. Yes. Next one, Felix. Yes, what it is, Rishit? What happened? Yes, next one, Risa. What is that picture D shows?
Use well-maintained vehicles.
Use well-maintained vehicles. See, sometimes when we are passing through the roads, we can see some vehicles, it is producing so much smoke. Have you seen it? Yes. So that smoke, that is pollutant, that may mix up with the air and makes the air pollution. So what we should do? We should maintain, we should give it for regular service. We should keep our vehicles fit. Okay, it is very important to keep driver's license in the vehicle. Am I right? You all know that driver's license, your father or mother's license will be there. Along with that, the government is informing us to keep the air pollution certificate also. Okay, one certificate also we should produce, that our vehicle is not producing any air pollution, any smoke test. We have to take smoke test for our vehicles, and we need to keep the certificate also along with the license. Otherwise, the police will fine us. Okay, so these all are very, very important. Using these all methods, we can keep the air around us clean. So I hope, children, is very clear. Is this chapter easy or difficult?
Easy.
Okay. And one more thing. And is it related to our life? Yes, it is related to our life, right? You are responsible for the condition of our air. You are responsible. It is in your hand. If you are burning, Krishnaraj, if you are burning the plastic waste, you are polluting the air. Isn't it? Am I right? So one day, in nearby future, we also have to face air pollution in our surroundings. But now we are free. It is okay for us. Now we are safe. Do you think like so?
Yes.
Okay, so if we are safe means what we need to do? Whenever we get time, we should plant trees. Okay. So here, one more thing I want to explain. Okay, one picture it is given here. It is about this picture. How do we get rain? Isn't it, children? So, see how many of you draw that picture? So, in the next class, I will check that picture. So, what you have to do? Draw it. Yeah, very good. Roshit, very good, very nice. So, one thing I will tell you. You can draw it, color it. You can color it. See, wait. For the hills and all, you can give green color. Okay, so make it beautiful. Then I will check it. Andrina, did you complete the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
No. So those who have not done, in the next class, everyone, yes, Rita, everyone should be ready with this picture. I will check it. Which picture? This one.
Ma'am.
In the workbook itself. In the workbook itself. Okay, the place where it is provided. So here, children, you can see water body. Water body means the space where water it is collected. Rivers, very good. Example for water body: river, pond, well, ocean, lake. Yeah, dams also. Nowadays we are hearing the word. Most of the word which we are hearing, that is about dam. Isn't it? How many of you saw dams? Not if it is not actually, if you are, you can see through televisions, right? Yes. So dams, yeah, in dams also, see, just think, it is now very familiar to you. Dams, it is open, it is, yeah, whichever it is, okay. It is, see, on dam, we are collecting water in the dams. So the sunlight falls on it. What will happen? The water may get heated up. So that when it get heated, what will form?
Water vapor.
Very good. That water will change into gas form, water vapor. So here you can see this in this picture. From the water, that water vapor forms. Water vapor will move upward and that may form it into clouds. Okay, so when these water vapors are filled in the clouds may become heavy. At that time, that from that clouds, the water vapor will change it into water. Okay, water vapor is gas form. So when so many water vapors come together, they may get cool and they may turn it into water itself. And when it becomes water, that may fall down. Okay, so again we get water, that rainwater, that may get it into the water body, again water vapor forms, again rain forms. Likewise, it is, what did happen? It is working like a cycle. Yes. So draw it, color it and make it very beautiful. Okay. Okay, so okay, next class I will check it. Be ready. So complete your notes. For the next class, I will take a class test and also this activity I will check. This I will take it as an activity and I will check it.
Chapter.
Dia?
Which chapter need to study?
Composition of air.